Today we're going to show you how to repair a lamp turn knob here. So this is a switch that came off of a lamp. The lamp is actually lighting this area right now. I went to turn it on the other day and it just twisted and broke apart. So you can see these two pieces right here used to be together. One method you could try to use to fix this is to probably use epoxy or some other type of glue to get them back together. But what I'm going to do is make sort of a stubby knob. The first thing we're going to do is to go ahead and flatten off the end of this knob where it snapped off. To do that, all I'm going to do is just take a piece of sandpaper here and rub it on down. Doesn't need to be too precise, just need a flat surface for a drill bit to go into. So after you flatten it off, you're going to go ahead and just drill a hole on into it. Basically, to do that, you probably want to use a drill, but all I have is a Dremel. So just gonna put it on low speed and drill into it. This particular lamp requires a 3/32 drill bit.